Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're outside and we are filming on the new camera. I've got the S15 behind me, it's all nice and clean, and we are going to go meet up with a very reputable workshop, and I think you're gonna like what you see. Guys, stick around because it's gonna be a good one. And let's just admire how clean this S15 is right now. So clean, guys. Hey guys, so we finally made it out to Aspec Automotive, and I've been hanging here for a few hours talking to Chai about what he's been getting up to. And see all these motors behind me? Guys, if you need a 1J or a 2J, he's the guy to hit up. I'll put links in the description where you can go check out and hit up Chai and he'll sort you out.
We are in Asia. That was a good day. Few boys walked up. We just got our auction done here at Aspec. So we recently just sold everything here that was unsold, as is how it is, which is awesome. Yeah, which is good. So we got more stock arriving soon, and we had a few boys here from a few other shops. We got Cooper here helping out. G'day. That's actually quite fun. We should do more of that. We should do more of that, like sort of stuff. You know, it just shows that it just makes it more exciting. And the ones that we expected to sell for not much actually didn't get the price. Got the price, but the ones you expect more price didn't make the money. But anyway, all mates here, Joel. Just go around, Yates, Mr. Yates, just tour the shop.
So guys, we're here with Chai from Aspec. Now this guy, if you need a 2J, a 1J, any of the JZs, he's your man.
At the moment, because we might be running out soon.
You just did a live auction.
That's correct.
You just did a live auction, and we'll just go see all of these engines over here have now been sold. And what do we got? SR20DE, that's sold. He's just sold all of these online. And for everyone out there, they really did get a bargain because they went cheap.
Okay, so this is our little engine station. So we are basically trying to do all our engine work here. So we're separated from the workshop side of it. We are a bit behind with everything at the moment. It's because we had some staff changing, trying to get better staff in place. So we're struggling because the demand and the growth is so fast and we just cannot keep up. So here's our engine room. We generally get a lot of our stuff assembled overseas. But what's happening is when it gets over here and when we start doing the quality control, a lot of stuff that was getting made over there or manufactured over there, it's not up to our standard. So we have now decided to cut down a lot of assembly stuff over there to get them done over here. which is better because we don't have to double touch, because back in the days we used to have to still re-inspect everything when it gets here and reassemble, which is a waste of time. So we've got pretty much just a stock standard rebuild here on this one here, just a 86, and we've got some the other one on the other side that belongs to Golden. It's been here a while, so we will get onto it. It's just got some rods going in, some CPs, bigger pins. So basically we just set up this station now the last week. We are trying to get on top of it, and just bits and pieces everywhere at the moment.
What can you tell me about this motor here? This
motor here is a customer's motor. We've thrown into S14. He bought it unknown, as in like he just bought it, somebody built it. So we're basically just getting it all ready with the loom, all the wiring, and we just inspected what's been done to it. So it's got CP rods, pistons, and it's got big dollars in it. I shouldn't even say this because by the time you post this, it'll be gone anyway.
So this one's not for sale?
No, this one's sold. Everything in this room is all sold or pre-sold. Pretty much everything in this room is sold. So we basically just bring it up to spec, because somebody might buy a motor and they say, look, can you refresh the head? Can you put cams in it? Can you, put some ARPs in there or ACL? So we're trying to bring it up to their requests. Then what's happening is the orders coming through. For example, somebody buys an engine off the shelf, and they say, hey, can you do this, this? Okay, we say yes, because we want the business. But what happening is there's so much workload that we just can't keep up, and with the staff that we got, we just don't have the capacity. So basically that's why I've just done a live auction, just to stop the workload for us to actually get onto those engines and refresh them and sell them for a better price. It's better off just to get rid of them. And some of these motors are ones that we've sold, and we pull them apart, like the bottom end, just to check, make sure the bearings is all in spec, before we chip them off. And some of those ones over there behind the sliding door, these ones are all same thing. They're all sold, pre-sold. So some of these are now left. It's pretty much like turbo oil line, return line, loom, ECU, base map. So we're trying to, when we sell the ECU and loom and everything else, we're trying to get it up on the stand and start it up for them. So at least we know it's all running, it's all started. And we just check everything after we rebuild it. Make sure there's nothing leaking, all the oil lines not leaking. Just trying to get a better quality control, just to provide a bit more detailed service. Once again, that's something that we are trying to get on top. So we want to sell something that when you get it, you don't have to stress too much. We already checked it. We already started up. So if you bought an engine of us and you got it rebuilt or modified, we want to make sure that it's all started up before it gets dispatched. So there's a peace of mind that it was running when we dispatched it, and provide you with just a better service. Just trying to change the service. Just trying to change the industry. We're just trying to do a one-stop shop. You can buy a second-hand motor. We can refresh it, we can build it, we can sell you the intake, the turbos, the manifold, the ECU, and we're going to have a base map set up on your ECU. By the time you get it, you drop in your car, you have a base map to run, and from there on, you're going to take it to your tuner. Well, that's the model at the moment.
So Chai, what are some of the parts that you guys are selling here and are available for the 1J and the 2J when you do purchase?
Well, at the moment, we are selling the product by BRD. At the moment, we're trying to get everything here in stock, just like what you can get from other shop anyway. So other shop, you can probably buy all your ARP head studs and all your gasket, your ACLs and your pistons and all the rest of it. So we can do drop shipping as well. We can try to get just other company on board, so we can basically just have whatever you need here.
What are those stainless manifolds that I've seen, those U-Butte stainless manifolds? Can you show us one?
I'll show us one. It's over here. It's on my little buffet here that I've made because I like them so much. These are the intake manifold. They're made by BRD, which is a company in Thailand. Visit the owner's name, Barmot Racing. Big followers in Thailand, and a lot of product are getting sold worldwide with these guys. They make their own intake manifold for JZ, everything, Evos, very good quality, really good weld. Those guys are running these like 1,000 horsepower over in Thailand at the drag strip. This one actually belongs to a GE. So this one I probably have to retail it for about 1,200, 1,300 bucks. And it comes with the fuel rail, and it comes with a choiceless throttle body, 80, 90, whatever you want. Just basically tell us before you order it.
That's decent for the price.
Oh
mate.
yeah, for what it is, and just to know it come out of a factory that over in Thailand, where this guy's been running down a drag strip, day in, day out. This is one of their manifold for a VVTi, turbo manifold. So they're very solid, very heavy, thick flanges. But yeah, it's good quality. The weld on these are really great. And again, this is for the VVTi, and we have more coming. So next month we should have our auto turbo manifold for 1J, 2J, GE, GTE. We'll have that in stock in about 3-4 weeks. It's on the order at the moment. Because these guys are not China, they don't do mass production, so when you order 10, they'll take we need a month to get it done. So which is good, and they take pride in their work. What I'll do is I'll send you the Facebook link or the webpage. I don't even have the webpage, but I'll give you a link. But yeah, no, so we're gonna try to sell these and trying to bring more just gasket and seals, so everyone can have their gasket sealed, because over there Toyota Thailand, they have all the gasket and seals for all the OEM stuff, so and it's pretty cheap over there because Toyota Thailand. So I'm trying to bring that in. We're trying to build a web page so we can have more product listing on it. At the moment we're selling like word of mouth or just Facebook, and even that we can't even keep up with the demand. It's crazy at the moment. Most of the engine that's on the next load coming through on the next container, it's all like 50-60% pre-sold. And there's a big market at the moment for JZ. But no, we've got ideas. We want to grow. At the moment, the workshop is a bit of a hectic war zone at the moment. We are short on staff, and like any business, it's hard to find like good people. And this is my Sora. It's a bit rough at the moment. So the Sora, it's a convertible Sora. While you're here, let's talk about it. This thing's like, there's only like few in the world that's convertible. It's electric roof as well. And the reason it's out of action is, I'll tell you a story on my first container. I was selling engines, right, on my first container, and I was promising all these people, like, when I posted up, I had so many inquiries, I didn't have enough engine to sell to everyone. So I got to a point where I was like, well, I want to help everyone. So I actually pulled the motor out of my own car to give to a customer because somebody needed a JZ. Then I was left with a non-running car. That's how much of a customer service I went through. It's stupid.
That's
but now,
5-star.
Oh, that's regretting now, because now I've got to do all the work to put it back. But that's how I far when I was pulling, like, engines out of my own cars, and I had a built motor that I had on the stand, which is for one of my Sylvia. Yeah, I sold that as well because I didn't have enough engine, and I had another engine that I had spared for one of my 186. I ended up selling that as well. Yeah, but this one, the story was, I pulled the motor out of my own car to accommodate the purchase order. Other than that, it is what it is at the moment. And thanks for visiting us, and you can more than welcome to walk around, have a browse. The new team has been good. We've got new staff on board, and so we are in a new era with staffing. Hopefully in the next month to come, we should have all these cars punched out, and pretty much, we'll be on top, more stock, more productivity, more service. Our web page should be up and running, hopefully, so we have more details, and you can go there with the URL and have a browse and go from there.
Hey guys, I'm Cooper. This is my 1983 Toyota Corona. I'm currently in the process of swapping SR20 debt into it, which is over here. Built, forged, all the gear. Can run 24 pounds of boost all day, every day. Going for around the 300 horsepower mark. Got all the goodies on it. Got a different exhaust manifold for it sitting in a box. Got a bunch of box of goodies. Weighs 1 ton, fully loaded, motor in it and everything. Track/street car. Hopefully get this done in the next 3 months. It'll go pretty hard. Then I'll sort out all the suspension, put R31 low control arms, some S13 coilovers, get some big lock on it, taking the old fuel tank out, putting a big fuel cell in the boot.
Nice wheels, man.
Yeah, got the BBS.
Yes.
Yeah, had it for about 3 years now. Flogged the snot out of the old motor until it carked it on me. Thought it was a good excuse to put SR20 into it. Known Chai for just over a year now. Real good bloke, he'll sort you out, look after you.
So you're going to just run the stock 5-speed?
Yeah, for now.
That'll do.
Got a spare box at home. When I blow that one, then I'll look at putting something stronger in it.
Me too, I got a spare box as well.
Always need a spare for these.
Okay, just like to thank Chai so much for the workshop tour. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Look up Aspec.
Aspec on Facebook. I don't really run, I'm trying to run Instagram, just trying to learn. And we are trying to get our own YouTube thing going as well, but we're just so busy. So, but yeah, we're looking forward to just putting up more content and some informative stuff so you guys can help you guys out with your builds and your projects.
You guys hit Aspec up and charge your man.
Thank you very much for coming in, Joe, and he's been helping me pushing cars around and loading engines and selling engines.
Yeah.
You know, it's been a fun day, good auction, and hopefully more because everyone enjoyed it, and I think it was fun. So awesome, guys. Check it out. See you guys.